How and when to file ISF for pneumatic parts. Welcome back to our video series on customs brokerage and international trade. In today's episode, we will be discussing how and when to file an importer security filing, ISF, for pneumatic parts. Pneumatic parts are crucial components used in various industries, such as manufacturing, automotive, and construction. As a customs broker, it's essential to understand the specific requirements for importing pneumatic parts and ensure compliance with ISF regulations. So, let's dive in and explore the process of filing an ISF for pneumatic parts. An ISF, also known as a 10+2 filing, is a requirement by U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, for all imported goods entering the United States by vessel. It is a crucial step in ensuring supply chain security and facilitating the smooth flow of goods across borders. The first step in filing an ISF for pneumatic parts is to gather the necessary information. This includes details about the importer, such as their name, address, and IRS number. Additionally, you will need the manufacturer or supplier information, the country of origin, and a detailed description of the pneumatic parts being imported. This information will be used to complete the ISF form accurately. Next, you need to determine when to file the ISF for pneumatic parts. According to CBP regulations, the ISF must be filed no later than 24 hours before the goods are loaded onto the vessel that will transport them to the United States. It is crucial to ensure that the ISF is filed within this timeframe to avoid delays or penalties imposed by CBP. To file the ISF, you can either do it yourself or seek the assistance of a licensed customs broker. While it is possible to file the ISF independently, working with a customs broker can provide you with the expertise and knowledge necessary to navigate the complexities of customs regulations. An experienced customs broker will ensure that the ISF is accurate, complete, and submitted on time to avoid any issues with CBP. Once the ISF is filed, CBP will review the information provided, and you will receive a confirmation of filing. It is essential to keep this confirmation on record, as CBP may request it during the customs clearance process. Upon arrival of the vessel at the U.S. port, CBP will use the ISF data to evaluate the security risk of the imported pneumatic parts. In summary, understanding how and when to file an ISF for pneumatic parts is crucial for customs brokers and importers alike. By gathering the necessary information, filing the ISF within the required timeframe, and working with a licensed customs broker, you can ensure compliance with CBP regulations and facilitate the smooth importation of pneumatic parts. Now that we have discussed ISF filings, let's move on to another vital aspect of customs brokerage, customs bonds. A customs bond is an essential requirement for importers entering goods into the United States. It serves as a financial guarantee between the importer, CBP, and the surety company, ensuring that all customs duties, taxes, and fees will be paid in a timely manner. Customs bonds come in two types: single transaction bonds and continuous bonds. A single transaction bond is used for one specific importation and is usually obtained when importing goods infrequently. On the other hand, a continuous bond is valid for 1 year and is obtained by importers who frequently import goods into the United States. Obtaining a customs bond is a necessary step in the customs clearance process. Without a bond, CBP will not release the imported goods, leading to costly delays and potential storage charges. Importers can obtain customs bonds through surety companies, which provide the required financial guarantee on behalf of the importer. It's important to note that the amount of the customs bond varies depending on the type of goods being imported. The bond amount is determined by CBP and is usually set at 10% of the total duties, taxes, and fees paid by the importer in the previous year. However, CBP has the authority to increase the bond amount based on the risk assessment of the importer and the goods being imported. In addition to ensuring the smooth release of imported goods, customs bonds also play a vital role in compliance with CBP regulations and protecting the revenue of the United States. If an importer fails to fulfill their financial obligations, CBP can make a claim against the customs bond to recover the unpaid duties, taxes, or fees. In conclusion, customs bonds are essential for importers to ensure compliance, facilitate smooth customs clearance, and protect the revenue of the United States. By understanding the different types of bonds, obtaining the necessary bond for your importation, and working with a reputable surety company, you can avoid delays, penalties, and other potential issues associated with customs clearance. Thank you for joining us in today's episode on customs brokerage and international trade. We have covered two crucial topics: understanding ISF requirements for pneumatic parts and the importance of customs bonds for importers. These topics are essential for customs brokers and importers to ensure compliance, facilitate smooth importation, and protect the supply chain. In our next episodes, we will be exploring other key aspects of customs brokerage and international trade. Stay tuned for more informative videos where we delve into topics such as container security, customs valuation, and trade agreements. Disclaimer note below. We value your continued support and encourage you to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more valuable insights with you soon.